Welcome to this lesson on landing pages. Today we're going to strip away the confusion and get clear on what landing pages are, how they differ from your homepage, when to use them, and the building blocks of high converting pages. By the end, you'll understand how to use landing pages strategically to boost conversions and scale your marketing results. The word landing comes from the idea that people touch down on your website after clicking something online. But here's the key. Not every page where a visitor lands is a true landing page. A landing page is special because it's built for one reason: to persuade someone to take action. A landing page is not like the rest of your website. It's a standalone page designed for a single offer or campaign. It's not in your menu. It's often invisible to search engines, and not everyone will ever see it. The only people who land here are the ones you send through ads, emails, or promotions. Think of your homepage like a map. It shows every direction someone could take to explore your brand. A landing page is different. It's the destination itself. There's no wandering. Visitors are guided to one goal, whether that's signing up, buying, or downloading. If you see in Google Analytics call your homepage or blog post a landing page, don't be fooled. In analytics terms, a landing page is just the first page someone enters your site through. In marketing, landing pages is very different. It's built for campaigns and conversions. Landing pages are powerful because they strip away everything that doesn't matter and highlight the one thing that does. Let's look at 5 reasons they can transform your marketing. Focus is the secret weapon. Unlike a homepage that tries to serve everyone, a landing page speaks directly to one type of visitor. This sharp focus dramatically boosts conversions. In fact, studies show that including multiple offers on a landing page can slash conversion rates by over 200%. When people face too many options, they hesitate. A good landing page removes friction and creates one smooth path to action. That's why landing pages convert nearly 10% of visitors on average, far higher than most other pages on site. Websites often require developers and designers to update. Landing pages don't. With drag and drop builders like System.io or Lead Pages, you can launch in hours, not weeks. That speed makes campaigns scalable without draining resources. Testing is where the magic happens. With landing pages software, you can run A/B tests without coding. The system splits traffic, tracks conversions, and shows you the winner. It's one of the fastest ways to improve ROI. Measurement is simple because landing pages are isolated. All the traffic comes from one campaign, so you can directly measure cost per acquisition, conversion rate, and return on investment without confusion. You can use landing pages in almost any campaign, from flash sales to free trials to webinar signups or waitlists. They give you full control, focus, and measurable results. They give you control. There are 2 main types of landing pages. A click-through page moves people deeper into a funnel, usually to buy or sign up. Lead capture pages is all about collecting information like emails, business details in exchange for value. The anatomy of a great landing page is consistent across industries. A sharp headline, compelling subheadline, clear benefits, and social proof build trust. Then you add one strong call to action and keep forms simple, all wrapped in a clean design that loads fast. There are dozens of landing page builders, but here are a few popular ones. Each has strengths depending on your needs. The key is to choose one that balances ease of use with the features you'll actually use. Here's the bottom line. Landing pages are not just smaller versions of your homepage. They are built for precision and action. Use them alongside your homepage, not instead of it, and you'll create a marketing strategy that's both broad and sharp. Let's tackle 2 common questions. First, why do landing pages cut down navigation? Because the fewer distractions, the higher the conversions. Second, how do you measure success? Track browser behavior on homepages, but measure conversions and cost per acquisition on landing pages. That's it. That's a wrap for this lesson. Remember, your homepage is your brand's welcome mat, but your landing pages are your closers. Use both, use them wisely, and you'll maximize results. Thank you, and I'll see you in lesson 2.